In this lesson, we're going to learn about the Vlookup syntax formula and how you utilize it within Microsoft Excel. We're going to open a workbook called Vlookup, and if you open the first worksheet called syntax, this is how the Vlookup formula is written. Okay, so Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. Okay, the lookup is what you're checking for. The column is the information where the checking is going to occur. The column is where you're going to indicate to the formula where it's going to check for the information, and you either state it either as true or false. Okay, so let's say I want to use the formula Vlookup. The lookup for ID, name and age, the ID is going to be the lookup. Okay, so I'm going to type here B75. B75 is going to be our lookup. The table is going to be this one, which is column K and N, and because K is the first column, we are going to count it as 1, L as 2, M as 3, N as 4. So column N is going to be 4, and we state if the formula is either true or false. So if you open our second worksheet called lookup and we apply this one into a practical scenario, let's say I want, instead of us denoting this as the date format, I want it to denote the month over here. Okay, so the formula of denoting month is equals to month, open parenthesis, reference the cell where you want the information to be gotten from, then press enter. So I've gotten the month, and the formula of month is this one. But what if I do not want to denote the month as 2, but I want to denote month as a text? Okay, so what I can do is I can click over here, overwrite the formula by pressing equal sign, then type the Vlookup formula as Vlookup, open parentheses, and what I'm going to be looking for is the month, and the month I'm going to be getting the information from cell A3, close the parenthesis, comma, and I'm going to get the month and use column I and J as the table array, comma, and the column index where I'm going to reference the wordings for the month, I'm going to get it from column 2. The first column is numerical, the second one is just basic lettering. So I'm going to reference from the Vlookup to get the month from column 2, comma, and because we know the first value is of the first value in our table array, the first month is January and it's not February, we're going to state this statement as false. Close the parenthesis, then press the enter key. So this is the formula, equals Vlookup. We're checking the month of February and you're referencing column I to J, and you're going to you're going to get the information of month from column 2, and because the first letter is not February and it's January, the formula will read as false. So the first occurrence is not January, is not February, but January, so it's false. So this is how the formula is going to appear. And because we want to replicate the formula downwards, the table array is constant. So what we need to do is highlight column I to column J15, then press the keyboard shortcut F4 to make it an absolute, then press the keyboard shortcut enter. So if you use the autofill function and click over here, the formula is going to be replicated downwards, and that is how you use the Vlookup formula in Microsoft Excel.